So let's create inside the piston here the bit that the gudgeon pin goes in. So if we go to isometric and turn on the right hand plane, if we hover over one of the corners of the right hand plane holding down the control, drag it to the right, you'll see it's made a copy of that plane, and we want this to be 15 mil because the width of our top of our conrod is 30. So here where it says 15.6, we type in 15 mil. We say OK. So we're on that plane at the moment, and if we go standard views normal 2, that spins around that plane. So we need to sketch a center line. So pick on center line, hover over the start point, pick. If you move it down, you'll see the V there. Go down roughly 30, pick, hit escape to get out of center line, right hand click, smart dimension, hover over the center line, you see that it's highlighted, pick. It says 31, we want 35 because the gudgeon pin, the center of the gudgeon pin is 35 down from the top of the piston. So double click on the 31, type in 35, hit enter, and that makes that center line 35 long. We then need to create a circle. So we pick on circle, hover over the end of the center line that we've done, pick, drag it out, pick, right hand click, pick on smart dimensions, hover over the circle, pick on it, and we want this to be, let's say 28 mil. So it's 18 at the moment, double click on it, change it to 28. Say OK. Finish that. And if we use the rotate, we'll be able to rotate, and you can see inside the piston on the plane that we've made the circle. So we get out of rotate, hover over the circle and pick on it. You'll notice it turns to green. We then go to features and boss extrude. Now in the boss extrude we've got a whole lot of options here, and what we can choose on one of them is extrude up to a surface. So if we pick up to a surface and then pick on the surface, it's going in that direction. Remember, we can change the direction. So now if we rotate to see from that plane, from that circle, we've extruded it out to that surface. So we can have a detailed preview to have a look. That looks okay. Say OK.